What is up, YouTube? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Amazon e-gift cards completely free. We're talking $50 and $100 Amazon e-gift cards, guys. Take a look at this. Okay, guys, just take a look at my Amazon page here real quick. So I'm just going to navigate to gift cards here, and we're going to press redeem gift cards. And I'm just going to copy in the code that I'm going to show you guys how to get later on in the video, but it's just a 15-digit code. So I'm just going to copy this in here. Perfect, and I'm going to press apply to balance. Oh, I'm just got to fill out this CAPTCHA thing here. MDWGR. Okay. Okay, here we go, guys. So check this out. It says gift card redeemed, $50. So this is US currency, this gift card. But as you can see, my balance is $67. That's because it converts automatically to the country that you're in. So it went up to $67 because of the conversion rate to go from US to Canadian. So really, that's all there is to it. Let me show you guys how to get your own code here real quick. Okay, so you've seen that the code is legit and it works. So now I'm going to show you how to get your very own code for either a $50 or $100 Amazon e-gift card. So to follow along with me, all you're going to need is your smartphone, Apple or Android, it doesn't matter. I use an Apple phone. So you're just going to go to your Safari or whichever browser you use. It really doesn't make a difference. And we're just going to navigate to primetimecoupons.com, P-R-I-M-E, time, T-I-M-E, coupons, COUPONS.com. Okay, guys, this is primetimecoupons.com. There is a ton of great coupons and game codes on the site. I check the site almost every day because they tend to go very fast as well. But for this video, we just want to find Amazon, and I see it right here, Amazon e-gift cards. And if you don't see it, you can just search for it at the top. But I found it right here. Okay, and just scroll down here. Okay, so as you can see, they have a few to choose from. They actually did have a few, it looks like, of the $200 e-gift cards. But as you can see, they probably ran out so fast of those. But for this video, I might as well show you how to do the $100 one. I showed you the $50 one earlier on in the video, so I might as well do a different one here. So I'm just going to press show coupon code here. So as you can see, it's a 15-digit code and it's not fully unlocked yet. So I'm just going to press unlock coupon. And it just takes a second. Okay, guys, so as you can see, there's one more step to unlocking this code. And it says here, your e-gift card code requires 2 free apps or offers to be unlocked. When all requirements are met, the code will automatically be revealed. So this last step is very simple, guys. Basically, you're going to see a list of apps and offers here, and they all have specific requirements attached to them as well. So they ask you to do certain things. So for example, this one says, download and complete level 50. And this is just a simple puzzle game. I'm sure I could do that fairly quickly. So I'm just going to download this one here. Perfect. So this one's installing, guys. I'm just going to go back to my browser. Okay. And I just got to choose my second one. And it's worth noting that this list is going to look a little differently for you if you're in a different country. I'm in Canada, but it's all just based on region. But in any case, you just want to pick the ones that you feel like will take you the least amount of time to complete. I like to do the games. They take a little bit longer, but they're actually kind of fun, some of them. But for this one here, I'm just going to choose Bible. So it says I have to just download and run this app for 30 seconds. So that is very easy for me to do. I'm just going to get this one real quick. Okay, I'll just download this one as well. And while this one's installing, I am going to go to Playdoku. And another thing I didn't mention is that these are completely legit apps and they're downloading from the official app store. Okay, so I'm just going to start this one up here. And as you can see, this is a puzzle game. It's like Tetris, basically. So I'm going to start working on this, guys. And I don't want this video to be too long. I'm sure I could do this in about 15 minutes. But I'm just gonna cut back to when I've completed this. So just hang on a sec, guys. All right, guys, I am back. So I've completed the requirements for both apps. I got to level 50 and play Doku. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes to do, like I said. It's actually pretty fun to play. And as you can see, I am running Bible for 30 seconds here. So I'm just gonna finish this off. I got a few seconds left. I would say that's about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna back out of this. So I've completed the requirements for both apps. Now all that's left is the final step, actually unlocking our full code here. So we're just gonna go back to our browser, and we're gonna go back to primetimecoupons.com, and once again go to the Amazon page. And we are going to go to the coupon that we completed. So I did the $100 coupon, and so I'm just gonna press show coupon code again. And as you can see, it's still not revealed, but we're gonna go unlock coupon. And now if you've done everything correctly, the full code should be fully unlocked. And here we go, guys. So as you can see, it says Amazon $100 e-gift card, coupon free. It says your coupon has successfully been unlocked. So you're just gonna take this, and just like I showed you guys earlier on in the video, just copy this code here and literally paste it in to the Amazon store there in the redeem code section. And it automatically converts it to whatever country you're in and the currency. And that's really all there is to it, guys. It's that easy. I wish there were still more of those $200 ones left, because that would be nice. But as far as I know, you could do these as many times as you can. Like I've already done it twice. There seems to be no limit to it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments how this worked for you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe and all that other regular YouTube stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.